Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes guys, so as you can see, just getting some gas. Because Nat drove all of the gas the other day. She's holding the camera so she can't say I'm lying. Yeah, we're gonna trade in some bottle first. Bottle depot, you know, that's where you get a little bit of extra money. All the plastic bottles you can trade it in Alberta and get some cash. And then we're gonna go where else? Where's we gonna go, Bibs?
The splash park.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go to the splash park. And hopefully before we go to the splash park we get some food because I'm hungry. But anyways, come along guys.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you go, I won't forget you. All I know, what I need, nothing changes. Even if you're gone, I will remember. All I know, what I need, nothing changes. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want to do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
Yes guys, just traded in those bottles. As you guys can see, I got roughly $60 for those bottles. Now that is probably a month and a half of accumulation, because to be frank, because of the amount of Pediasure and the fact that we buy bottled water, because the water here has so much chlorine, the bottles stack up pretty quickly. But the good thing is that we trade it in and we can get money for your plastic bottles, all juice boxes and stuff like that. I'm not sure if every province do that. Drop a comment and let me know if you're in another province, if you're able to trade in and get money. Alright guys, I mean $60, not complain. Yes guys, so now we are heading to, is it Shoppers Drug Mart? Or London Drugs? Yeah, we're heading to Shoppers Drug Mart to pick up diaper for Malika. We're gonna go and pick up some diaper for Malika right now. We're going to Shoppers Drug Mart. We get assistance from the province. I don't remember the name of the program. Home care. That says home care. But what it does, it gives subsidized diaper for kids with special needs or developmentally delayed kids. So we only end up paying like 25%, and we get like 4 boxes of like extra large diaper.
No, it's more. We're gonna get 6.
And we only pay like $40-something or $30-something sometimes. So that go far away. So we're gonna go and pick up that right now. You guys know Malika is not yet potty trained because special needs. I don't know the thing. We talked about that already in the last video. So come along, guys. boxes of diaper. Everything comes to $60. So,
Original cost is $250.
original cost is $250. We only pay $60. So give thanks. This really has been a really big help in terms of the cost factor of buying diapers for Malika, because you know the older you are, the more expensive the diapers are. So yeah, $60 instead of $250. I'll take some of that. Guys, let me just say we have a membership tab, right? So if you guys want to become a member of the Andersons community officially, you can hit on the join button right down below, and it allows you guys to become an official member, right? Exclusive content for you guys coming, guys, believe me. Rolex. Yes guys, so we're going to a restaurant to get some lunch, but it's opening in another 15 minutes, so we're just walking on this small plaza on the plaza, just killing a little bit of time. Well, I've never walked on this complex before, babes. Eh?
You want to buy me a jewelry?
What you want? Just tell me what you want.
I want a necklace. Nice necklace.
Just a necklace?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
What's your what you call it?
My what?
Let me tell you the word. What's your mineral of choice? Are you a diamond kind of girl, or are you a gold, a bronze,
Gold is okay.
backside? What? Mama, I come from Clarendon, you know, we can go to Jamaica. Get some backside.
That means I'm not getting it.
Oh no, don't say that. We can get an aluminum. Come on, babes. I'm joking. Of course you know I'm joking, guys. Pick up the toy.
Puppy.
Pick up the toy. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Rolex. You want a Rolex, babes? Huh? Where's Gucci? Oh, Gucci's on the ground. So walking on Gucci? We need to go to the gym. What kind of personal trainer? I am your personal trainer.
You have a big belly.
I am your personal
It's
trainer.
not
But you
working.
need to get a personal trainer. No matter with that. But don't talk, you know. But don't talk. Is Malika hungry too?
What I need.
I don't know, I saw it.
Love you, Malika Day. Community mailbox.
This is our dental office.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, pick it up, pick it up. Okay, good job.
Get your hand. Puppy goes. Puppy goes. Puppy goes.
Come go with mommy. Mommy's gonna go and change the diaper before.
Puppy goes. I might go for third. Yes, ma'am. Mommy.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of fish this is now. I'll do the crocodile, man.
This is a watch.
Guys, that's what you call a food gasm. No joke. We waited like probably, was it close to an hour? Considering when we reached? Yeah, we waited almost an hour. But it was 100% worth it. The food was so good. Now I just want to go home and have a nap. Hold on, Malika, hold on. Guys, if you like these kind of vlogs, let me know. Don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Let me know if you like these vlogs, and we'll definitely do more. Oh, not sad. Hold on, guys. So it's Splash Park?
Check.
A good one. Splash Park?
Yeah, Splash Park.
Okay. Guys, we're going to the Splash Park. Yes, guys, in case you guys are wondering what day it is, it's currently Saturday. And we're going to the Splash Park because the place is extremely hot. Yeah, that one here is all ready. Tourist mode. Yeah. I'm on our badge suit. Ready for the road. Ready? Say ready. Say ready. And Nats is currently getting our sister ready. Sister? Yeah, get her sister ready.
Hi. How are you, mommy? You're good? Okay. Awesome. Yeah, sister hat.
Come on, mama.
We're not going to there, we're going to the park.
Malia, this way. This way. I'm excited. Come, Malia. Malia. Your turn. Yes, guys, so we're back home right now. It was an eventful afternoon. Thank you guys so much for coming on the journey with us. Hopefully you guys had fun, just as much as we had fun. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and drop a comment. Alright? Yeah, that's it for this video right now. See you guys in the next video.